Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is uh, that company. That means just write it down here, the company name, like the next company, creative digital platform. So this is very simple, a typography logo design. So it's easy in the world. If you try, it's better. You can learn something from here. So no matter talk, just I will start. Let's begin today. So first of all, I needed to select all the things and a little bit smaller, and I needed to keep the counter side. As you can see, yes, it's needed putting over here at the counter side. So what we need to today, we need now just to go over here. I think the type tool. Okay. And I just put it over here. And I need a bigger. So double click on that. I just type that and select and need a two bigger side. Feel like that. You see, it's a red pool. This is regular, the character, and it is automatic comes. If you not select this one, just go over here and you red pro like that. So it was my default setting and I just put it over here. So first of all, I need it to bigger. Let's let it to bigger like that a little bit. I need to a little bit bigger. Okay. So a little bit. Okay. Okay. And then like that. Okay. That's fine. So I need it just to that a little bit. Like that. Okay, that's fine. So I need it now just to go over here, expand all the things, and I need to go to the line segment tool. So right here, this I need now click that. Yes, I need it now. It's this color, a little bit. That I think it's bigger, a little bit. This okay, it's fine. Need to go over here and adjust to expand. Okay, okay, okay. Just cut by pressing Alt key and just like that. Add all the things, necessary things. Okay, cut all the things. Okay, that's fine. It's very easy and terror of the world. So I need now just to type like that over here. I will change the color after doing something, because I needed to over here, I needed to just type the next company there, and I select, go over here, okay, and a little bit bigger there, keep that a little bit bigger, okay, that's fine. And I need again go here to type other key like that. Now is okay, sorry, create is it tall form. Okay, that's fine. I need now go over here. See, that'll be too much. It's too much. I need to go here, keep things like that. Okay, fine. I need now just to like that. Go to the ellipse tool. Okay, I need there. Okay, to put things and go like that. Okay, a little bit smaller. Okay, a little bit here. I need it to smaller like that. Go to the middle side and to the other side and go again over here just to like that. Okay, a little bit smaller. There. Okay. Again, I needed to copy that. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see how it's going on. A little bit over here, like that. And it's better. And now better. And it's fine. All, and I needed to change the color. So I need to ungroup all the things. I need to change the color. I think okay. I need to change the color like that. Okay. I needed to delete this thing and I need it's looking better. So gotta be bigger, you see. So dear guys and dear lovely friends, thanks for watching.